What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to check if your Firefox is up to date and how to install the update if it's not. Really simple. So just go to the right hand side here on the three bars, click there, and then go to help. So just hover over help, or actually no, click on help, and then there should be an about Firefox section here. So just click this and you'll see my Firefox is actually not up to date. So I have to restart it to update Firefox. So I'm going to do that really quick. And I believe now it should be updated. So maybe it had the updates already installed or downloaded at least, and that's why it was so quick, but I'm not sure. Let's just see what happens now. When I go on help, about Firefox, it'll check for updates, and now it'll tell me Firefox is up to date. So pretty simple. That's how you check if Firefox is up to date, and that's how you update it. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.